All right, I have a big breaking news coming at this point in time where opposition parties are slamming Rahul Gandhi Banyan Circus at AI Summit. So this is a big news where the opposition parties, Samajwadi Party, BSP, other parties united, joining hands against Rahul Gandhi and calling out his Banyan Circus at the India AI Impact Summit. So a clear stand by the opposition parties there, so-called part of the India Alliance. Now they are calling out Rahul Gandhi, saying that these sort of protests are absolutely not required. So you have a big news there where opposition parties Akhilesh Yadav, Jagan, Mayawati, KTR all slamming Banyan Circus. So this is a big news. Now all the leaders, in fact, we are getting to know that KTR has said to the Congress party, saying that this is a petty political theatrics that is being playing out, and calling it the entire act by the Congress youth workers absolutely deplorable. Now Mayawati is also slamming Congress, saying that this is a shameful attempt while foreign dignitaries were present at a global event. So this is a big news where all the opposition, big opposition names are now coming together and calling out Rahul Gandhi. Akhilesh Yadav is also saying that he does not support Banyan protest by Congress. So a hard-hitting statement coming out by the opposition leaders there. Akhilesh Yadav also said that Congress crossed the line in presence of foreign delegates. Let's listen into what Akhilesh Yadav said.
एआई समिट, वैसे हमारे मुख्यमंत्री एआई के बारे में कुछ जानते नहीं हैं, एआई के बारे में नहीं जानते हैं। और जब दुनिया के डेलीगेट्स आए हों, दुनिया के बड़े बड़े राष्ट्रपति प्रधानमंत्री आए हों, तो हमें चीन का नकली रोबोट नहीं लाना चाहिए। आखिरकार ये गलती सरकार की हुई है, इतना अपमानित होना पड़ा। अभी कार्टून मैंने एक देखा जिसमें ये रोबोट है जो वो हमारे मेक इन इंडिया के शेर को दौड़ा रहा है। बताइए, चीन का दिखाना पड़ा इन्हें। और उसके बाद जो और हंगामा हुआ है, इसके पक्ष में मैं नहीं हूं। ये सरकार झूठ बोलती है, सरकार धोखा देती है, वो अलग बात है, वो हम अपने इंटरनल उसमें लड़ लेंगे। अब तो पूरा देश जान गया कि बीजेपी झूठ बोलती है, तो उस तरह का प्रदर्शन नहीं करना चाहिए था जिससे फॉरेन डेलीगेट्स और फॉरेन कंट्री के सामने हमारी आपके देश का अपमान होता। एआई समिट, वैसे हमारे मुख्यमंत्री एआई के बारे में कुछ जानते नहीं हैं, एआई के बारे में नहीं जानते हैं। और जब दुनिया के डेलीगेट्स आए हों, दुनिया के बड़े बड़े राष्ट्रपति प्रधानमंत्री आए हों, तो हमें चीन का नकली रोबोट नहीं लाना चाहिए। आखिरकार ये गलती सरकार की हुई है, इतना अपमानित होना पड़ा। अभी कार्टून मैंने एक देखा जिसमें ये रोबोट है जो वो हमारे मेक इन इंडिया के शेर को दौड़ा रहा है। बताइए, चीन का दिखाना पड़ा इन्हें। और उसके बाद जो और हंगामा हुआ है, इसके पक्ष में मैं नहीं हूं। ये सरकार झूठ बोलती है, सरकार धोखा देती है, वो अलग बात है, वो हम अपने इंटरनल उसमें लड़ लेंगे। अब तो पूरा देश जान गया कि बीजेपी झूठ बोलती है, तो उस तरह का प्रदर्शन नहीं करना चाहिए था जिससे फॉरेन डेलीगेट्स और फॉरेन कंट्री के सामने हमारी आपके देश का अपमान होता।
All right, I have my colleague Ishita joining us from Newsroom. Ishita, this is a big breaking that we are getting. All the opposition leaders, whether it's SP, whether it's BSP, YSRCP, KTR, everybody is coming together and slamming Rahul Gandhi. I think that this is the time that Rahul Gandhi now needs to come up and issue an unconditional apology to the nation.
Right, of course, Hina, there is a need of a self-introspection on the part of the Congress party, the way they sabotaged the AI summit. This time, BJP is not just on the streets, as the anger is not coming just from the ruling party, but also from the opposition, from the India Alliance partners we're looking at, right? From Akhilesh Yadav to Mayawati to Jagan to KTR, all have come out and they just have one thing to say, that what happened at the AI summit by the Congress youth workers was a shameful act. They crossed the line. This time is what all the opposition parties, in fact, are saying at the Congress Youth Workers and their attempt to sabotage the AI attempt. Now, let me also remind our viewers that this was an AI summit where India was leading on the future discussion on the future of AI, and this is where heads of over 20 states had come out. Top tech CEOs were there, policy makers, innovators, and what Congress Youth Workers did was a clear sabotage attempt. And now the opposition has come out, called out Congress for their act at the AI summit, saying that they crossed the line this time. In fact, Akhilesh Yadav says, we do not support this. This is a shameful act, which was in fact conducted by the Congress Youth Workers. Remember, they have been taken into police custody. They have been given, the police in fact has been given their remand for about 5 days. And let's also hear in what the BJP is